Now we learn how to name different organic compounds. First we take straight chain alkanes. In case of straight chain alkanes, they are named according to the number of carbon atoms present in them. Already we know that in nomenclature we are having three parts. One is word root, the second thing is suffix and prefix. In the case of straight chain alkanes, they contain two parts. One is the word root and primary suffix. And this word root depends on the number of carbon atoms present. And this suffix is ane. Suppose you take this compound. How many carbon atoms are there? Yes, one carbon atom is there. We know that word root is meth for 1. Therefore, this compound is methane. Now in this case, 2 carbon atoms. The word root is eth. The compound is ethane. Now you say this. How many carbon atoms are there? Yes, 6 carbon atoms are there. All are single bonds. Therefore, word root is hex and primary suffix is ane. Therefore, this is hexane. In this case, 8 carbon atoms are there. Word root is oct, suffix is ane, and the IUPAC name is octane. Now we take another kind of compound. This is branched chain alkane. In this case, the carbon atoms are not linear and the carbon atoms are present in the side chain and they contains alkyl groups and these are expressed as prefixes in IUPAC name. In IUPAC system, an alkyl group named by replacing suffix ane by the suffix yl, that is il, in the name of the present alkane. The number representing the position of hydrogen atom removed is indicated by giving the lowest possible number from the terminal carbon. Now say this. Now this is a compound. We have to identify the longest parent chain. This is also called longest chain rule. Now this is the longest chain. Suppose if I take this compound. In this compound, this is the longest chain. And in this compound, yes, this is the longest chain. This is correct. For the same compound, if I select like this is wrong. Why? Yes, this is not the longest chain. After identifying the longest chain, the next step is numbering of carbon atoms. All the carbon atoms present in the parent chain are assigned with numbers. These numbers are called locants and these represents the position of carbon in parent chain. The numbering is done in such a way that the side chain get the lowest possible locants. In other words, the numbering should be such that the sum of the locants of the side chains is minimum, and it is to be noted that the numbering is always done from the either end of the chain, not from the intermediate point. Now you take these examples, you can understand. Say this. This is the compound. Now you can number this from this end 1, 2, 3, 4. The same can be numbered from this end 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is correct, this is wrong. Why? The rule is the numbering is done in such a way that the side chain gets the lowest possible locant. In this case, this is the side chain. Here the side chain position is 2. Here the side chain position is 3. Since 2 is less than 3, therefore this is correct. This is not correct. That is, the side chain should be at lowest number. This is one rule. And you take another compound. Now these two compounds, they are having same structure. Now this parent chain can be numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Now among these two, which is correct and which is wrong? In this case, at second position, at fourth position, we are getting side chains. Here also we are getting at second position and fourth position. But here some of the positions is, that is, in this case, at position 2 we are having 2 side chains. At position 1 we are having 1 side chain. Now the sum of positions is 2 plus 2 plus 4. Here we are getting 8. In this case, the sum of positions is, here it is 2. On 4 we are having 2 side chains. 2 plus 4 plus 4, this is 10. Now this is minimum, hence this is correct and this is wrong. That means the numbering should be such that the sum of the locants of the side chains is minimum. If 2 or more side chains are there, this condition we have to take. Okay, numbering is completed. The next part is identifying the word root. A word root for the selected parent chain is identified on the basis of number of carbon atoms present in the parent chain and used as suffix. This gives the name of parent straight chain alkane. The next part is naming alkyl group, that is side chain. After knowing the name of the parent straight chain, this is alkane, the names and positions of alkyl groups presented as side chains as prefixed. Prefixed means before, prefixed to the name of parent alkane. And now we take some examples. First I am taking an example with only one alkyl group. Now this is one compound. Now you number first parent chain 1, 2, 3. On second position an alkyl group is there. Now on second position methyl group is there. This is 1 meth. The prefix is 2-methyl and suffix is propane. Therefore this compound is 2-methyl propane. Now you take this compound. The numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you do from left to right, the locant related to side chain, that is 3. If you take the numbering from right to left, then the position of carbon with side chain is 4. Already we know that this locant should be minimum. We have to number it from left to right. Now this is third position. First you take this alkyl group as a prefix. 2 carbons are there. This is ethyl and 6 carbons are there. This is hexane. Therefore, the name of this compound is 3-ethyl hexane. Now similarly you take with more than one alkyl group. Now you take this compound. Here parent chain. This is parent chain. You number from left to right or right to left. Both are same here. Why? Because it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from right to left. The side chain present on second and fourth carbon in both the cases. You can select any way. Now these are alkyl groups. These two are methyl groups. Therefore, the name of this compound is, first you write where the side chains are there. At position 2, 4 we are having side chains. At position 2 we are having methyl. At position 4 we are having methyl. 2 methyl groups are there. 2 means it is di. Therefore 2,4-dimethyl and the parent chain contains 5 carbons. It is pentane. Therefore this compound is 2,4-dimethyl pentane. Similarly you take this. This is the parent chain. Parent chain contains 6 carbons. That is last we get hexane. What are the positions of side chains? You number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you number from left to right, the maximum number of side chains should be on minimum number. If you number it from left to right, it is possible. Now at this position, at second position, we are having 2 alkyl groups. At fourth position, 1 alkyl. At fifth position, 1 alkyl. Now the locant positions are 2, 2, 4, 5. And these 4 are methyl groups. 4 methyl groups are there. 4 means tetra. 2, 2, 4, 5. Tetramethyl hexane is the name of this compound. Next we take another model. Now I am taking different alkyl groups are present. Now you take this. No doubt this is the parent chain. This parent chain contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms. How we can number it? From left to right or right to left? Okay, if you number from right to left, On second position and fourth position, we are getting side chains. If you number it from left to right, on third position and fifth position, we are getting side chains, which we have to select. Yes, right to left. At second position, one methyl group is there. On fourth position, one methyl group and one ethyl group is there. How we can write the name of this compound? First you take the least number of alkyl groups. That is 4 ethyl. Next one is methyl. 2 methyls are there. 2,4-dimethyl, and this is hexane. The name of this compound is 4-ethyl 2,4-dimethyl hexane. Now we take another compound. Now this is the parent chain. Now how we can take the parent chain? Like this or like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Which I can take? Yes, the longest parent chain we have to consider. In previous problem, suppose if I take this is the parent chain. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 only there. If I select this, 6 carbons are there. Therefore, taking this as parent chain is correct. Now in this problem, if I take this is parent chain, how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I take this is the parent chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atoms are there. Therefore, we have to select this. On second one and on fourth one, we are having alkyl groups. Second contains 2 methyl groups and fourth also contains 2 methyl groups. Therefore, the name of this compound is 2244 tetramethyl. 4 methyl are there. Tetramethyl hexane. Now we take another compound. Now in this, no doubt, this is the parent chain. And numbering from right to left is correct. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On third position, we are having an ethyl group. On fifth position, we are having a methyl group. Now, how to name this? At the same time, you can also select the numbering from left to right. In this case also, on third position, we are having methyl. On fifth position, we are having ethyl. And among these two, which numbering we have to select? Yes, we have to follow the alphabetical order. First letter should contain least number. According to alphabetical order, first we have to write ethyl. Yes, this is correct compared to this. And this is 3 ethyl 5 methyl heptane.